Everyone, and welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level grammar lesson. We're going to talk about prepositions, and today we're focusing on prepositions with time. Some examples would be before, after, during, while, and for. So Tim's day. So what can we say about these images? It looks like he bought a ticket, and then after that he bought a pizza to eat while he was watching the football match. And then after the football match, it looks like maybe he had something for dinner. So Tim bought a ticket before the match. He ate pizza during the match. He went to a restaurant after the match. So here's another set of pictures. See if you can describe what's happening here using prepositions of time. So Jane and Joanne had dinner before the concert. They sat together during the concert, and they walked home after the concert. So during means at the same time as another activity or event. He fell asleep during the exam. Tom felt nervous before and during the exam. So we use during plus a noun. I felt sick during dinner, but we can't say I felt sick during eating. During also means within a period of time. He likes to sleep during the afternoon. I learned to swim during the summer holidays. I was bored during the French lesson today. Alright, so now practice making some sentences by matching using during to connect the sentences. You can pause the video, try that on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. So our boss didn't say a word during the meeting. The sun gets very hot during the afternoon. My basketball team played well during the 2010 season. I sometimes find it difficult to sleep during the night. Those children talked nonstop during the film. And someone stole my wallet during dinner last night. Now, choose the correct preposition. As usual, I arrived late. I came after the beginning of the meeting. Jason scored 3 goals during the football match. Shh, you cannot talk during the test. Turn off your phone. You do not need to take calls during dinner. Please turn off your phone before the movie. I arrived before 9 a.m., but the boss said I was supposed to come earlier. Now complete these sentences. Use before, after, or during, plus one of the words from the box. Jonathan forgot to take his office keys before leaving the house this morning, and now he can't get into the office. I ate too much during lunch, so I'm not hungry this evening. It's Monday, but I am still tired after the weekend. Both days were so busy. All children crawl before learning to walk. The world's population will reach 9 billion during the 21st century. I have a meeting at 8 a.m. tomorrow, so we can meet after 9 a.m. All right, here's some more pictures. Let's see if you can describe what's happening here using the prepositions of time that we've learned. So Sally and Janet went on a picnic. It rained while they were eating. They decided to go to a restaurant. So while means at the same time as another activity or event. I fell asleep while watching TV. Alice listened to music while doing her homework. We use while with a verb. I watched TV while eating dinner. But you cannot say I watched TV while dinner. All right, here decide if you need while or during and fill in the blanks. So my brother always does his homework while listening to the radio. Peter, turn your phone off. You don't need it during dinner. He chews his food so loudly while eating, I can't stand it. We went to Brazil during the summer holidays. And during the war, many people were killed. Now make sentences by using either during or while and matching the first part with the second part. So our neighbor's dog barks during the night. It drives me crazy. She fell over while she was jogging in the park. My telephone rang while I was taking a shower. I will call you during the week. One person was injured during the protest last week. Geraldine called you while you were out. Please call her. Now complete the sentences. Use before, after, during, or while, and the words from one of the boxes. When I was a child, I couldn't stop talking during class. Zainab, you need to pack your bag before tomorrow morning because the plane leaves at 7 a.m. I cannot study while listening to music. I need silence. If you are good this morning, I will take you to the beach after class or after lunch probably. Okay, a tree blew over during the storm last night. Rebecca came to visit us at home while you were at school. You missed her. I often buy a book before going on holiday and I read it while sitting at the pool. My parents don't usually watch TV during weekends. Are you going to meet us for dinner after the concert? The restaurant is open late. Before traveling to another country, you might need to get a visa. Now see if you can describe these pictures using the prepositions of time that you've learned. So they flew to Miami on Monday. They stayed for 4 days, so from Monday to Friday. and then on Friday they flew home. So we use for to show a period of time. I was in Indonesia for 6 years. Greg studied at college for 4 years. We use for plus a period of time. So examples, we are going on a vacation for 2 weeks. We watch the news for half an hour. Now match the sentences using for to connect them. He is going on vacation to Spain for a month. We have lived in this house for 12 years. I need to study, let's see, for an hour before I can meet you. It's too late now. The shop's closed for the next 10 hours. It will open at 7 a.m. Can you please be quiet for a minute? You never stop talking. And the film will last for 2.5 hours. So no one talked to us while we were on the bus. We can only talk for a few minutes because I must go to a meeting. If you want to learn English, you should read for at least 20 minutes each day. She was talking on the phone while cooking dinner. Yesterday afternoon, Samuel and I played tennis for 3 hours. I heard a noise during the night, but I didn't go and see what it was. Again, with these, you'll use before, after, during, while, or for plus one of the boxes. You should come to visit him while he is in the hospital. I will study at the university for 4 years. Let's meet on the weekend. I am too busy to do anything during the week. Again, you use before, after, during, while, and then another word from the box. Can you please get some milk while you are at the supermarket? John is staying in our house during the weekend. He leaves on Monday morning. Please close your mouth while chewing your food. It is bad manners to eat with your mouth open. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I hope to see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.